everyone, this is Jet and welcome to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to create a 2-page monthly calendar, and as always you can choose whatever font, color, and elements that you want to incorporate in your design. I will be designing this in a 6x9 document, but you can choose whatever size you want. If you're creating this with the intention of selling it on any publishing sites like Amazon KDP, Lulu, Blurb, and the likes, please don't forget to set your margins if you won't have bleed in your end product. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post videos like this. And if you've subscribed already, thank you once again. I truly appreciate your support, and don't forget to like and share to help others as well. Okay, let's get on with it. So now I'm inside Canva and I already set up my rulers and my margins. If you want this, you can go to File and then just enable Show Rulers and Show Guides. I'm using these guides here so that I can get a clear or exact measurement of my boxes for my monthly calendar. You can do this by dragging one over here from the ruler or delete it like that, or you can have this too and you can delete it this way. Just drag it somewhere. Okay, so now I have that. I'm going to Elements and then choose this. It's in lines and shapes, so maybe I have this much, this big, and then I can always change the color, maybe that, and then I go to my elements again, so this, do it this way. Yeah, that should do it. Maybe a little bit lighter. Now that I have this, I can highlight both of them, and then while holding Option or Alt key on my keyboard, I just drag it. This, and 3 more. There we go. They're all spaced properly. If not, if for example your spaces here are not equal to each other, you can always group all of them like so, or you can also hit Ctrl G on your keyboard, or if you're on a PC, it's gonna be Command G. And now that this one's grouped, it says ungroup here, so it means that these ones are grouped. You can always highlight this now and then go to position and just hit tidy up, and it will align everything. And put this in the middle. If you can see this vertical line, purple one, that means that you're centered on your document. Okay, now that you have that, we can group them and drag this over here. Here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last. There. Now that I have my calendar, I can now put the text over here. I just hit T, or you can go to text and then choose any of this. So I'll just do January. Place it over here, change the size, Monday. Change the size to 8. Slide 7. 3 more. Tuesday, this would be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now I go to my elements again. I'm going to use this one, and I'll just resize this and just put it here, and use it and put it over here, and stretch it out. There we go. Now I have that, and I can change the color to the one that I used before. There. I will just group this. And I'll go to my text. I'm going to heading. This is so big, I can always resize this. Just put any, change the font if you like. I'm just going to change it to this one. Do that. Click that. Make it centered. Right now I go to elements, and then I'll just choose heart. And just resize this over here. Or you can choose whatever elements that you want to incorporate. Okay. Now for here, I choose this again. Or you can always duplicate one of those. Make this a bit smaller. Put there. Okay. And then change the color. I'm just going to copy one of this. And just put this month to-do list. And then change the spacing. Make it bold. If you do it, I'll change, yep. And I'm going to change this to white. To make it stand up. Yeah, that should do it. Alright, now I'm just going to copy my heart here. And put it here. Yep. And then I go to elements again and then choose this line. Do this. And here. Okay, I'm going to choose dotted. I'm going to wait. I'll change it to maybe 2. There you go. And make it gray this. Okay. Now that I have that, I'll just highlight both of them and then group and copy and paste. Okay. Right. Maybe 3 more. Okay. I'll just highlight everything, position, and tidy up. Or you can also choose vertically. Okay. Now that I have that, I'll just copy this one. And this would be close this month. And then I can use this. Put it here. Make it a little bit smaller. Like this. Drag it there, and I can change this to here. Oops, there. Just drag it. Ooh. Okay. Let everything position, tidy up. Now, copy this again. Change this to important. Now copy this one, that, and vertical here. And I think, let's see, oops. Here. And so that's equal, the margins are equal here, top and bottom, and the sides. So, let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, the first page. So now that we have that first page, just go ahead and click Add Page. Okay, so now I have page 2 here. I'm going to do another margin. So let's put it at 5. Same goes here. So I'm going to need 4 weeks. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So now I can copy this over here. Okay, so now I just need to align this one. So what about there? Okay, then I copy. Just gonna use one of the lines over here and stretch it out. Change it to maybe 3 and change the color. It's a darker one. Okay. This one, just right through there. Two would be enough. Okay. And then use this, copy that, change the font to this. Group 1, ungroup this one, and then so I can copy this line. Stretch it out. And just copy this a few more times. There we go. Highlight everything, position, tidy up. That's your week 1. And maybe I can search for star. Okay, back into like this one. There it is. Just make it a little bit smaller and change this to this color. So then highlight every stars and then position, tidy up. Now that you have that, let's see, it's more. I can now highlight everything. Oops. So we highlight everything. And then we just drag it all the way down here. Okay. Just to leave it 2. I think I forgot to copy this. Let's see. Okay. We try this again. Try this again. And don't forget to press your Alt or Option key while dragging. And this would be week 4 and it's week 3. Okay, I think that's done. Let's see. We can click this over here to preview it. Okay, that looks good enough. Don't you think? Okay. There's the first page and there's the second page. Now just hit escape to go back to your document. And then all you have to do is download this, either PNG or PDF print. Now, if you are going to publish this on KDP or Lulu or Blurb or any other publishing sites, you can also duplicate these pages by clicking this icon. But then Canva only allows you to have 100 pages, I think, for every project. So if you're doing 100 plus pages for your book, you can only do 100 here. But when you have the PDF file, you can always go to sites like pdfmerge.com and then just upload a PDF and duplicate it many times as you want. So it's more than 100 pages, that would be fine. So that's it. Okay, see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And watching and keep learning. Bye!